warmth here.
It's fine. Got the lunch the other day. Doctor tell me say like the spine I get out of line again. I'm need for rest look more. But with this thing I can't even rest, brother.
You need some rest too, man. But tell me something. The brother there when I see you go to for the sting launch. I'm a touch a certain way. Doctor that?
Yeah. My physiotherapist.
But Prinny, that never look too appropriate still in the bed.
What do you mean it never look appropriate? The man at work.
Man at work? So this a female office there? My artist?
Sheldon, no bother with that, yeah? Bother with the jealous thing right now.
Prinny, the thing now have nothing to do with jealousy. Just take me out of the picture. The thing now look appropriate, none at all. Right now, I make like this thing launch. The man a feel like, yeah, mango.
Me a mango? You're my man or an insecure man? You say anytime you get the certificate to come do what him a do because something is off, anywhere in him office or wherever, before a performance or anything, then you come talk to me. I'm not gonna insecure something with you. Just try and know that. Relax, yeah, Sheldon? Alright.
Oh, so this is really the Prinny? You really have take up your man this? Cause I can't hear doctor this.
A joke this. Tell me say a joke. Eh? You see when you weren't present, because of what you put me through, I him me see. And I'm a man, I'm a doctor. And when you get that right, and put that in your skull and make it stuck. Yeah? Alright. Sheldon.
Prinny, put on the phone, man. You're not gonna just walk away from this, you. We need for reason all this.
But we not reason. You accuse me. There's nothing for reason about right this neither, Sheldon.
Me not accuse you, B. Me just wonder how you are get so defensive over something when you look right to me. So you don't respect me then?
It's not that I don't respect you, Sheldon, but you attack me.
Prinny, go back in your brain and remember how me ask you the question. And you are turn around and attack me. It's like me shouldn't ask about it. Oh, you get so defensive when me attack about a brother ya.
I go through all it, yeah? I feel pain, stinking. All it me I go through. I really can't deal with this right now.
Prinny, what do you mean you can't do this? The music or the relationship you talk about?
Everything, Sheldon. Everything. You apply extra pressure with everything, Sheldon. But I have the time and the space for that in my brain, brother.
What kind of pressure you talk about, Prinny?
Sheldon. My management don't like my name. My doctor pressure me for rest. You, I tell me say doctor my man. You see right now? I'm gonna make this clear where you say anything me want. Okay? Management are gonna like my name. You are gonna accept my doctor, and me are gonna accept you're my man. So just start act like it. I don't want you to mention that name to me again.
Alright. Anything you say, I'll lie on a Prinny.
Hello, Doc? No, I'm not alone. I'm gonna cancel the session for tonight, alright? But I'll give you a time tomorrow, the earliest. Yes. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Okay, good night.
You need to make up your mind, yeah?
Yeah, Sheldon.
Just figure this out.
Sheldon.
Don't
Sheldon.
you.
Hi everybody, it's your first lady, Shelly Xpressionz, aka Bubbles, from the Big Bad YouTube series, The Bartender. I'm inviting you to join us on our Sunday Night Live on Xpressionz JA channel at 8 p.m. where we do reviews and interviews with your favorite personalities. So, make it a date and don't be late. Right here at Incognito Vacation Stay live on our Xpressionz JA's YouTube channel.